In this tutorial, we will show you how to replace the ClearRay bulb on your Sundance 880 series hot tub. For safety, it is extremely important to turn off the power to the hot tub prior to replacing the bulb. Allow at least 15 minutes for the bulb to cool down before proceeding. Start by removing the two corner panels and then progressing to the center panel located underneath your topside control. Locate the box marked ClearRay. Remove the 4 screws using a Phillips screwdriver and place the screws and the front cover of the ClearRay box to the side. Next, push on the white tab and pull apart the 2 white connectors. Pull back the black rubber cap and slowly remove the old bulb. You are now ready to install your new ClearRay bulb. Use the latex glove included with your new bulb to handle the ClearRay bulb. It's important not to touch the ClearRay bulb with your bare hands because oil on the skin will shorten the life of the bulb. Slide the bulb into the opening and gently push the rubber cap into place. Snap the 2 white connectors together. Reinstall the front cover using the 4 screws, making sure the black gasket stays in place. Replace your SPA's panels, starting with the front panel first and progressing to the corners. That's how to successfully replace your ClearRay bulb. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more Sundance tips from the Great Escape. See you next time.